Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make Dalgona coffee. You will need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of boiling water, a pinch of cinnamon, and 1 cup of milk, or you can use soy milk or almond milk. After we have everything together, we're gonna put into our mixers. I'm using this one today, so let's mix everything together. You're gonna whisk everything together on high for 2 minutes. Okay, here is our Dalgona coffee. It's done. By the way, if you don't have the KitchenAid mixer, you can use this whisker and mix everything together for 10 minutes. I hope you guys give this a try at home. It's really easy to make. And please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching.